In this video, I'm going to run through all the gears, beginning with a cold start. So, waiting to start, lights on the far right went off. Okay, I'm gonna back up out of my driveway, first of all. So again, reverse. I'm going to go up my side street here and let you hear it run through the gears. Coming to the end of my street. I'm gonna pause. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna pause. I'm gonna turn around and put it in reverse again. I'm gonna hit the gas harder on this one to run through the gears faster.